Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with uterine fibroids, you've probably heard a lot about estrogen. Think of estrogen as the fuel that fibroids use to grow. When our levels get too high, a state called estrogen-dominant, it can make managing fibroids feel like an uphill battle. But here's the good news. What you put on your plate and in your supplement cabinet can actually help your body flush out that excess estrogen and find balance again. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate toolkit for shrinking fibroids naturally. First up, let's talk food. You want to load up on cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale, paired with high fiber staples like lentils and flaxseeds. Think of cruciferous vegetables as the cleaners that break down excess estrogen, and fiber as the conveyor belt that carries it out of your system. You need both working together to see real results. Without enough fiber, that estrogen can just get reabsorbed into your bloodstream. Toss in some berries for antioxidants, and you've got a powerful foundation. Now, let's look at supplements. There's one massive standout here, vitamin D3. Research suggests a strong link between low vitamin D and higher fibroid risk. Maintaining sufficient D3 levels can actually help inhibit fibroid cell growth. Because many people have low levels, healthcare providers sometimes recommend high-potency vitamin D, like 50,000 IUs, to correct the deficiency. But remember, D3 doesn't work alone. It requires magnesium for activation and K2 to guide calcium to your bones. Adding zinc rounds this out for a total cellular health. Finally, let's talk about a traditional approach, castor oil. For centuries, this has been used to support the reproductive system. By applying high-quality, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil to the belly button, you can support your body's natural detoxification and circulation. Many find this ritual helps manage the bloating and discomfort often associated with fibroids. To wrap it all up, focus on cruciferous foods, optimize your vitamin D3, K2, zinc, and magnesium, and try your castor oil packs. Every healthy habit you start now is an investment in your future health. Just remember, this is not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor before starting new supplements. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, you guys, let's grow together, learn together, and heal together, one day at a time.